Hey, I'm back, and thank you for coming back to see our videos. Welcome everyone to Excellent Minds. Let us kickstart our 2024's first video and bring you 7 Excel features you probably didn't know. That's right, it's already 2024 and most likely you don't know this yet. Let's start with number 7, Data Model. In Excel, you can add your data to the data model. Here, Excel stores them for you to manage further, like cleaning your tables. So you can make a relationship between your tables, and then you don't have to use VLOOKUP formulas to your tables manually. This results into merging your tables unnecessarily. Well, Excel data model will map these for you instead. You can then create pivot tables from multiple table sources. Now that is awesome, and it's called Power Pivot, and I can make another video Power Pivot if you request them down in the comment section. Number 6, Analyze Data. Have you ever wanted a one-click analysis of your data? Well, yes, you can now. Thanks to Analyze Data feature, just have a table of information loaded and click on Analyze Data. Excel will generate the charts for you intelligently and give you insights that it can find significant from your data. Isn't that cool? I made a video of this feature and the link is in the description below. Number 5, Geography Data Type. This feature allows users to convert text-based location data into a geography data type, providing additional functionality for working with geographic information. Let me show you. Okay, so here's how geography data type is inserted in your data and how it is used and what are the great stuff that comes with it. So suppose we have over here, we have a data set of your city and country. So all you gotta do is just highlight your data right here, and from the ribbon you can go to the data menu, and over here under data types panel you should be able to expand this panel, and you can click on geography data type right here. And so what it does is it inserts in your data icons that gives you more information that you can pull from this data. Now, these cell values has turned into a dynamic data already. So what I mean by that, if you click on the icons next to them, it gives them like a live card information about that value. In this case, appears to be like the name of the city, what country is attributed to it, the leaders, population, area, and so on. And that's one of the features of geography data. It gives you live information. Not only that, you can also add more fields in because of the geography data type. Like if you can hover over here, should be able to add another field and just hit on this icon. And now you can add such things such as abbreviation. You could also add things like the flags and a lot more. So you can get the currency. So that's what the advantage is when you convert regular data into a geography data type. Number 4, Flash Fill. This feature has been around for a while in Excel, but many may not be aware of. Flash Fill is a feature in Microsoft Excel that helps automate the process of entering or formatting data in a column. It was introduced in Excel 2013. Flash Fill is a time-saving tool that can quickly fill in values based on patterns it recognizes in adjacent columns. I made a video of this feature and the link is in the description below. At number 3, Insert from Picture. Have you been entering data manually from images of text or numbers in tables? If so, then you will thank Excel in this feature. Insert from Picture intelligently scans the image that you refer in Excel to extract the data and loads them for you. Now, that is a time saver. At number 2, Power Query. Have you been repetitively cleaning and transforming your data? Well, start using this new feature in Excel. Power Query is an Excel native add-in that extracts, transforms, and loads your data. You can clean your data, parse, and even remove columns or filter. Everything is recorded as steps, so you just need to edit the query once and can automatically refresh when you open your Excel file. I will make a comprehensive video about Power Query soon, so watch out for it. And at number 1, forecasting. Do you have a table of historical transactions, sales, or any numerical measure you would like to see numbers forecasted from? Well, you should be using Excel's forecast sheet feature. What it does, it analyzes the historical data of a column of continuous dates and another column of a numerical measure, and then predicts the future measures further to the forecast end date that you set. Let me show you. Suppose we have a date column and a sales column. We have records of sales per month from January till September 1st, 2022. And you are interested with the forecast of the sales number and further down the timeline. So what you will do is simply highlight this range of data, and you want to go over to forecast sheet over here under the data menu, and you get automatically a preview of what would be the output when you return, when you accept this preview right here. So you can see here that the blue line here represents your historical data. The orange line right here will represent the forecasted data, including the confidence interval represented by the other two lines right here. So you can see here that it is by default giving you a March 1st, 2023 as the end of the forecast period. And you can actually just leave everything as it is in the options of the forecast dialog. These are just these ideal, parameters for your regular forecast, and you can leave them as they are. And what happens is that when you hit create, it automatically gives you your required chart and some numbers added in the table. You can it can be interpreted that this would be most likely where the sales number would be, with the possibility of getting into the upper limit or lower limit of the confidence interval. So this is awesome. Okay, now as always, here's the bonus feature you probably didn't know. But before I reveal that, I'd like to take this moment to encourage you to subscribe to this channel. Not only because you get notified of our latest videos, but you also get to help out support persons with disabilities like myself. And as a person with disability, I know how difficult it is to get support, but by creating educational videos and sharing it with the world, I believe I have a chance. So, like and subscribe. Now, on to the bonus feature. Now, here's one great feature of Excel that many may not be aware of yet. It's the Excel's AI add-in, Excel Lab, specifically the function labs.generative AI. What it does, it sends out a prompt to the generative AI model, and it returns the response in the cell you enter the function into. You can call the labs.generative AI function inside any Excel cell. It uses the OpenAI model. So let's say you have a list of data in a column. You can use the function to return information in another column about the first column and let the external AI model do what you ask it for. Now, isn't that awesome? I made a video of this feature and you can check it out using the link I'll provide in the description below. I hope this video has given you some new useful information about Excel. If you have any questions, please comment them down below. And if you want to learn more about Excel and other data tools, please click here to subscribe. Yes, right here. Thank you for watching.